Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit new, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the pin protection on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here, tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down and select the pin option, and here tap on enable pin. Now we need to enter the pin we want to use for our watch. I'm gonna use 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, but this is not the recommended pin. It's gonna also give me a warning that it's too simple. We should set a stronger one. I'm just gonna tap on use anyway, but I recommend to use a different one. Let's enter it again. We need to enter it again to confirm, like this. And now the pin is enabled. And once you enable the pin, you will have two options. Change pin, basically if you want to change it to something else, and auto lock. If you enable this option, your watch will lock itself automatically if it's taken off from your wrist. So if you're wearing your watch and it's taken off, the watch detects that it was taken off, it will lock the screen and you will need to enter the pin to unlock it. Okay, so let's go back to home screen, turn off the screen, wait a couple of seconds. And now when I try to, no, I need to wait for a couple seconds longer. Let's wait until it locks itself. Okay, maybe now. No. Why won't you lock itself? Watch. Weird. Oh, this time it locked itself. As you can see, there's this lock icon on the screen. That means that the device is locked, and to use it we need to enter the pin to unlock it. So let's enter the pin like this, and now we can use our device. And to disable the pin, simply open the settings again, select the pin option, and here you have disable pin. Tap on it, enter the current pin, and as you can see, the pin is disabled. It's changed to enable pin. Okay, and that's how you turn on the pin protection on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.